YouTube, it's your girl Nicole, and I'm back once again with another video. And this video, my sister's acting a fool, but yeah, as you all read that title and you seen that thumbnail, I am doing the 25 questions about me, and yeah, I'm going to be eating while I do it. So I guess y'all gonna get a mukbang also with that. But I got some Captain D's here, and as you all can see, the top is gone, but I've been eating some of it, so but it's okay. We're going to do this video. But anywho, I wrote some questions down. I figured that you all will want to know. Yeah. Before we get to this video, I want you guys to like this video, subscribe, press the notification bell, comment down below what y'all think of it and what y'all want to see, and yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Anywho, man, y'all, guess what I did? It better be. But that's what I did. I ended up doing a vlog for you guys, and like I was editing it and everything, like literally right before this video, and I ended up like somehow deleting the video out of my the camera roll, and I was editing it on my movie. What was it, iMovie? I think it's iMovie, but I ended up editing on iMovie, and then I went back to iMovie when I deleted it in the photo album, and it would just disappear. I was so mad. I worked so hard on that video. Like, I took my time and everything. I feel like I disappointed y'all, because that's what I want to see. Y'all want to see vlogs, and I was vlogging. Like, I went and got the party stuff for Tristian's party yesterday and all that. I went and got all the decorations. I took pictures, I took videos, but I might insert the clip at the end of this video. But yeah. What else? But yeah. But I'm sorry, y'all. I know y'all forgive me. But number one, what's my height? I am 5'8". So I'm pretty tall for, you know, a girl, but that's okay. Next question, number 2, virgin. Am I a virgin? No, I have a child. I have a whole child. No, but yeah. No, but yeah. But anywho, do I smoke? No, I don't smoke at all. Like, I don't smoke at all. I really, to be real, I really stopped like a year ago. So no, I don't smoke. Number 4, do I drink? On certain occasions, like mainly, like I'll drink some on holidays, but yeah, I only do it on holidays, really, to be real, y'all. So I don't know. Number 5. At what age do I get mistaken for? I don't really get mistaken for like a certain age. Like, most of the time I get like mistaken to be older, I guess, because I'm thicker than what like usually the people around my age is. So I don't know, y'all. But number 6, Do I want any tattoos? No, I don't want any tattoos right now. I don't know. I really don't want any tattoos. So I'm not into them really. But yeah. And number 7, best friend. No, I don't have a best friend, but my son. So he's my best friend. Yeah. Okay. Number 8, favorite color. My favorite color, purple. Oh. Y'all probably like, what is this? I got some rolls in there. And I ended up putting fish on it. But and it's good right now. It's hitting right now. Hot. Number 9, my favorite movie. I don't have a favorite movie. I like all movies. I never had a favorite. I never had a favorite movie. So yeah. Broccoli good. I ain't gonna cap. But number 10, someone I miss. I miss my granddad.
He's okay.
I miss my great grandma. Yeah, that's the people who I miss. Yeah. Number 11. My most traumatic experience is when I was younger and I ended up falling off a trampoline. Yeah, that's my most traumatic experience. That's the story time, so I'm not gonna get into that deep into that, but just know I am gonna do the story time, so you might want to subscribe to this channel. Let's see. Number 12, my most embarrassing experience. I don't have one. I really don't. I've never been like too embarrassed. Like I never have. Like literally. But I don't know. They're just me. And I know some people can relate, like, but they never had I'm not trying to say, an embarrassing experience, like, in their life. This shit hitting right now. I wish I had more broccoli, double broccoli from Captain D's, but I didn't. Number 13. One word to describe my personality. Well, I'm goofy. I'm goofy as fuck. So I'm goofy. Number 14, my birthday, November 17th. So I wanted to vlog. I wanted to vlog for you guys, but like I was so busy between getting Tristan's party ready and then cleaning up and then settling him down and my family wanted to see me and this, that, and the third. But I was really, really trying. Like, I was thinking about it the whole night, literally. I was thinking about the whole night. But I'm going to make it up for you guys. Like, really comment down below what you know, how y'all, like, feel and what y'all want to see more. I know vlogs, but I want to know more. So, comment down below. Okay, next question, number 15. Am I crushing on someone? Never know. You never know. You never know. Never know. Never know. Number 16. First love is my son. That's my first love. Oh shoot. My first love is my son. Facts. Okay. Number 17. My favorite food. My favorite food is pasta. Like, I love pasta. I love spaghetti. I love I love lasagna. I love pasta. Like, but I try to stay away from it because it's like high in carbs. Number 18. Player or wait, am I a player or am I loyal? I'm loyal as fuck. Like, I'm big loyal. I'm the shit. So most deaf. Number 19, siblings. I have 10 siblings all together. So total on my dad's side and on my mom's side. Number 20, goals. What are my goals? Like, I have goals that like, I want to start my own business in, like, as in vet tech. I want my own business. I want to start my own business in veterinarian. Like, that's what I see myself going into, and I will get there. Like, I don't care if I have to start from rock bottom. I'm going to get there. So just know that. Number 21, race. What am I? You know, what's my race? I'm black, but I'm just light skinned. My mom's light skinned. My dad's brown skin. My mom's dad is mixed, but I'm black. I'm black. I'm just, you know, took that skin tone, basically. Number 22. Last time I cried. Last time I cried was on my son's birthday. Like, literally, I cried on my son's birthday because I just cannot believe that he's 2 years old now, and so, like, he's getting more and more smart each and every day, and I love the fact that I'm the one he's looking up to. Basically, I'm his number one, and I really, really love that, and it makes me want to cry. Yes. let me stop. Let me not get into that, because I'm gonna sit here and cry right now. But oh gosh. 23. Last time I was mad. Last time was I mad? What was I mad about? I can't even remember. I don't get mad. I get paid. Okay. I can't even say it. Okay. But no. Number 24. Do I want more kids? Yeah, in the future, like, when I have all of my stuff together, like, all of it together, like, all of it. Like, achieving my goals, that's the number one thing I want to do before I have another child. And yeah, and that's it. It is what it is. Number 25, last but not least, my future job, what I want to do. I want to be a veterinary technician. What's wrong, Journey? Huh? Come here. Let me see. You don't have any more? Your mama better stop being mean to you. It's my niece. Say hey, YouTube. Say hey, YouTube. Say hey, YouTube. Say hey. My name's Journey. Ah. Here. Don't pour them all out. Here. Yeah. Oh, you got a napkin right here. You can pour them on a napkin. Let's pour them on a napkin, Journey. Here. That's the last of my questions, and to be real, I didn't even get done eating. I'm still eating right now. But
You're playing it.
I'm eating.
That's not chicken.
It's fish.
Oh.
You want a bite?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is chicken. Fish on the fish on.
But in this video, if you all like this video, and subscribe to this channel, press the notification bell. Please, like, I want my views to match my subscribers. And I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. You all are going to be here, like, basically since day one when this channel grows, and I really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart, y'all. And I love every single last one of you. Remember that. And yeah, I see you all in the next video.